In this first tense Ring doorbell footage, thieves attempt to break into cars right in front of the owner under the cover of night. Watch as the unexpected encounter unfolds. In this dramatic Ring doorbell recording, two masked men are caught trying to break into doors within an apartment complex. Watch as their suspicious actions are revealed in the dead of night.
On the police. Right now. I see your faces. I got it on camera.
In this intense Ring doorbell video, a group of individuals exits a sedan and approaches a company yard, where they confront a man and rob him of his possessions. Watch as the situation escalates in real time. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, two children are seen alone in front of their home with no guidance, unaware of the danger lurking nearby. Watch as the unexpected turns chilling, sending fear down your spine. In this gripping Ring doorbell recording, a man is seen leaving a store at night, only to be attacked by two individuals attempting to steal from him. But the situation takes an unexpected and surprising turn for the robbers. Watch as the story unfolds in a shocking twist. In this nerve-wracking Ring doorbell footage, a homeowner unknowingly comes face-to-face with a snake right at his doorstep. Watch as the close call unfolds, leaving you on the edge of your seat. In this shocking Ring doorbell recording, a man's car is stolen right in front of him while he's paying for gas. Watch as the brazen theft takes place in broad daylight, leaving the victim helpless. In this heartwarming Ring doorbell footage, a tender moment unfolds between two young brothers. Watch as the older sibling lovingly cares for his little brother, creating a touching display of family bond.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this delightful Ring doorbell clip, a delivery lady is caught in an amusing interaction with a homeowner's dog. Watch as her actions bring a smile to your face, turning an everyday moment into something memorable. In this amusing Ring doorbell footage, a thief attempts to break into a home by trying to open the door from the outside. Watch what happens next as the situation takes an unexpected and comical turn. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a homeowner steps out of her house but misjudges her steps, leading to a serious fall down the stairs. Watch as this unfortunate accident unfolds in real time. In this heartwarming Ring doorbell recording, a young girl shows incredible honesty as she compares her dad to her mom. Watch this sweet and innocent moment that highlights the purity of childhood sincerity.
Dad.
I love you too.
Not the most as Mommy.
Alright, thank you for that.
In this intense Ring doorbell footage, a dog is seen attempting to attack a child in broad daylight. Watch as the father stands his ground against the aggressive dog, ensuring the safety of his daughter in this tense confrontation.
PJ, you better come get this dog. Go get in the car, baby. Did he break out the cage or some shit? I don't know what the hell his ass did, but his ass went running in her ass.
In this hilarious Ring doorbell clip, a young child asks her parents a question that leaves them both completely shocked. Watch as the innocent curiosity of the child takes an unexpected turn, catching her parents off guard.
Ma,
Yeah, puppy.
do we have a cat?
No, why would you say we have a cat?
Because Dad last night was saying, oh, I'm going to beat that kitty, baby. Why would Dad even want to hurt a cat?
What are you listening to? What happened? Nobody was in
You need to be in bed, alright?
Go.
Go inside.
Go to bed.
In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a man is followed by a strange car at night. Fearing for his safety, he quickly rushes inside to grab his weapon. Watch as he faces the intruders head-on, and the situation takes a swift turn when the would-be thieves flee upon seeing the firearm. In this shocking Ring doorbell footage, a family is seen enjoying time outside their home when suddenly an explosion erupts near their play area. Watch as the family quickly rushes inside for safety, caught in the chaos of the unexpected blast. In this unexpected Ring doorbell footage, a cat is seen attacking the homeowner inside their living room. Watch as the dog quickly comes to the rescue, defending its owner and turning the situation around in a flash. In this charming Ring doorbell clip, a funny incident unfolds between a delivery lady and the homeowner's dog. Watch as their interaction brings a smile to your face, turning an ordinary delivery into an amusing moment.
It's okay. They're friendly. I don't like dogs. I don't like dogs.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.